Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Reality Composer and choosing the correct anchor for your experience. You want an anchor that matches the real-world surface, horizontal for tables, image for posters, so your content stays placed where expected. Import a 3D model or drop in a template object to avoid building geometry from scratch. Once done, organize the scene hierarchy. Name objects clearly and lock any background elements so accidental edits don't move them as you proceed. You now focus on precise placement and interactivity because that's what makes AR believable. Move and scale objects using numerical values when accuracy matters, and use touch gestures when iterating quickly. Add behaviors like tap to play an animation or proximity to trigger sound. These make your scene responsive. Apply physics only where needed. Too many collisions can hurt performance, so adjust mass and friction for realistic motion and test interactions repeatedly to catch glitches. You finish by previewing the scene directly on a device to validate scale, lighting, and occlusion. This confirms the experience matches expectations. Export as USTs for sharing or package via iCloud for collaboration, and keep an eye on file size by compressing textures. If something breaks, first reset transforms and confirm the correct anchor type. If performance lags, simplify meshes or reduce texture resolution. Those steps quickly resolve common problems and get your experience into users' hands.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.